All right. Okay. In this video, I want to share that every year there will be percentages questions being tested. And in fact, it's like that for the past few years. And these are some of the ways that you will encounter percentages questions, as well as I'm going to show you how to study them so that you are prepared for individual percentage questions. Okay, so first of all, you need to know about conversion. Conversion means that you need to be able to convert between decimal to a fraction to percentage to ratio. And the lines connect them like that. So what this means is that you need to be prepared to convert decimal to percentage or vice versa. You need to be able to convert ratio to fraction and vice versa. And you need to be able to convert, say, between percentage and fractions. Okay, so this is one thing that you need to work on, and normally they will appear in paper 1A and 1B as well. Okay, next. There'll be a question, in my opinion, at least in the past few years, there'll be a question on GST, selling price, interest, discount, usual price, okay. Then the last one, which is also very important and is very common, is problem sum with a problem sum type, and they throw in percentage. So when you see this, change your percentage to fraction and solve it. And of course, you need to match them to your 12 to see if they match any of your 12 must know problem sum type. Okay. If you're not sure, you can always refer to our learning out of the box problem sum guidebook. Okay. Okay. Next. When it comes to GST selling price, interest, discounted price, discount. Okay, I think I missed out one here. It's discounted price. Let's start off with GST. So for GST, say 9%. And then need to know this is 100%. So the total is 108%, 109%. Then for interest, you replace the 9% with 3.5%. So basically the solving method is the same. So the total is 103.5%. If let's say the interest given in the question is 3.5%. Okay. And let's say for questions dealing with selling price, discounted price, usual price, the format will be like that. And say it's a 20% discount. This is a discount. So this is a discounted price. And so this is 80%. So what you have at the bottom is a new 100%. And what you see in the bill will have your GST. Okay, so it's something that you need to take note as well. Okay, what about the rest? In some questions like bar graph, pie chart, you'll see event-based questions from when to when. Your from is always 100%. And let's say if they have multiple repeats of from to, your from, if it's a different identity or event, is always the new 100%. So take note of questions that requires you to manage the first 100%, the second 100%, and the third new 100%. Okay, just be mindful of all this, because for questions that deal with different 100%, most of the time, each of them has a different value, and you need to be very mindful how to tackle them. Okay? And next, you will also have percentage that deals with increase or decrease by, or increase to decrease to. By means you add or you minus. To will be your final one. Okay, just be mindful of this as well. And of course, when you express percentage, is what percent, say 80%, arrow, either kg, cm, money, cents, grams, meters, km, and so on and so forth. Take note that your takeaway here will be arrow, not equal. If you're not sure, please check in with your teacher. That's it for how you study your percentage topic. Make sure that you study in all these types. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'll see you in the next video.